Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Vivo phone guys system navigation full setting. How to use system navigation on Vivo mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Vivo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo mobile. Friends, click on Vivo mobile system setting. System setting friends, click here. Friends, you can system navigation, click here. Friends, you want to use your gesture navigation setting, so click on gesture setting guys. After 4 and 5 seconds guys, your gesture navigation will show on your screen, and guys your button navigation will remove on your screen. And friends, you want to back here, so how to back. So friends, the right side and left side friends, you can use your back button on your Vivo mobile. So friends, you are in notification setting. Friends, you want to back, so left side you can swipe, right side you can swipe, and you can back. And friends, recent app friends, you can see this line guys, hold here and you can close your recent app. So if recent guys you own YouTube app, recent guys you own Chrome app, so you can remove it and you can close your recent app like that. So like that friends, you can use guys your gesture navigation setting on your Vivo mobile. Right and left side guys, back button and close app button, hold here and you can close app. And friends, you don't want to use gesture settings, you want to remove your gesture settings. So friends, click on Vivo mobile system setting again, system navigation, 3 button navigation friends, click here. And friends, 3 button navigation button will show on your screen and your gesture settings will remove. Right and left side friends, you cannot use your gesture settings. Friends, you can use guys your 3 button navigation on your Vivo mobile. And friends, you can see guys back button on right side. Friends, you can see right side is back button. Friends, you want to change your button layout. When friends, you want to set your back button on right side, so you can set. Friends, again click on Vivo phone system setting, system navigation, scroll it, and friends, you can see guys your navigation gesture ke right side guys. And friends, you want to change style also, icon style guys, your button layout icon style, so you can change icon style. And friends, right side you can use back button on your Vivo mobile, and left side guys you can close app. So like that friends, we can use system navigation full setting. We can set up system navigation, button navigation on Vivo mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.